Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video testing new indicator for binary options trading using Quotex platform. So in today's video I will test a new indicator for binary options and of course if you want to see the results stay here until the end of this video, and of course if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. Right, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey, what is going on, my fellow traders? I hope everybody's fine today. So, in today's video, I will trade binary options using Cotex platform and also my indicator, which is called the BRA indicator. And as you can see, I've already placed two trades. Let's have a look on these two trades. Australian dollar, US dollar, where I have which is a buy, and I followed this indicator, this signal here. You see it, Australian dollar, dollar buy, and we have the confirmation also. You know that following my indicator, you have to place a buy when you see this green star and place a sell when you see this red star. So it's pretty easy to use it. This indicator is placing a signal when it's when an asset, when a currency pair it is an overbought on oversold market condition, and from there you will have to take a decision. And regarding binary options, you need to place a put or a call depending on that asset. And we have one trade, it's in the money, as you can see. This one, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, it was placed also following this where is it, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, this one, following this signal here. Okay, so now we will wait another signal from BRA indicator. And now I'm testing this indicator. I don't want you to give you a bad indicator. Oh, and it's in the money, and Australian dollar, it's in the money also, and you will be able to use this indicator. But after this testing period, I don't know how it will be, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, how much time is it, because I want to give you the exact coordinates to place good trades. And we have another signal. Let's have a look on it. We have euro African ruble. So let's see. I don't know if we have this euro ZAR. Let's find it here. Let's have a look on the chart. I don't know if we have it on our Cotex platform, this crypto, but we don't have the, this is a buy, but we don't have the confirmation. So I told you, when we have to see this red star here. When we have like you see here, we have the green, this is a buy. We have this green arrow here, and also the arrow, it's a fully confirmed signal, as you can see, is going up. All right, let's have a look on GBP Canadian dollar, the next one, GBP Canadian dollar. No, it's not confirmed. So let's wait for the confirmation. And about the Cotex platform, if you want to use it, I'll put a link below this video for the demo account. I'm using Cotex for 3 months, 4 months, I think, starting February, when I found it on a friend of mine told me about them, because they are new on the market. They operate since 2019, and they are fully regulated broker, so there is no problem. I already made a withdrawal, free withdrawals with them, and I will make another one when I will hit $20,000, because some of you were asking me to make a withdrawal to see if they are paying, if we have higher amount for withdrawal more than $10,000. All right, so let's see what will happen. Also, we have here on the platform, we have the offers on page signals. As you can see, we have Canadian dollar, Swiss franc here, and this is a buy. They are pretty accurate. I'd say 82%, 80% accurate, and but just be careful here on the return on investment. As you can see here, we have 67%. So in my opinion, it is better to trade with return on investment higher than 70%. Let's have a look on another signal that came from my BRA indicator, and we have the same GBP Canadian dollar. We are starting to have the confirmation. Yes, you saw that point here. This point is it's forming the confirmation, but it's still not formed, so we should wait more. I have several videos where I'm showing you different strategies to trade binary options, but I want to make this indicator to be the with the highest profitability. And you have also signals, you have sounds, you know, to hear it when it's coming, and I want to be a perfect signal for binary options. As you can see here, we have a lot of signals provided by the platform. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it is a buy. As you can see here, we have the alligator indicator, because it's one of the best indicator for binary options. Euro, Swiss franc, let's have a look on you, but it's 64 return on investment. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc 66. No, this one they have low return on investment, so it's not okay. All right, so we have another signal. Let's have a look on it. This Euro Japanese yen. Let's have a look on Euro Japanese yen. Where is it? Oh yes, and we have the confirmation here. It is a sell. Let's go to our dashboard. Let's find Euro Japanese yen. This is it. Oh, we have this is return on investment, and it was a down. Let's wait here to see what is happening. And now is the time to place a trade, a $100 trade. I've tested so far this and the best is this indicator. The best works with 5 minutes time frame. You know, to place 5 minutes trades. And let's see, we have another one, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's find it. Let's have a look on it. US dollar, Canadian dollar. This is it. Oh, and we don't have the confirmation yet. But we have here, as you can see, a big drop down here, and then no, it's not nice. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we will avoid this one. Now we will see if this one it will be in the market. Also it is a little bit late, and the markets are slower now, but tomorrow I will make another live trading session using this indicator, and maybe we will have more signals to trade. I told you can use their signals over here, and the best thing about Quotex is that it is available worldwide. You can use it anywhere in the world, from USA, Canada, China, India. It is available everywhere, and you can use a lot of payments method to fund your account. Remember that the payment method usually and it's the same here, the payment method will be the withdrawal method. So if you will use Bitcoin to fund your account, then you will make the withdrawal in Bitcoin also. If you are using a card, a credit card, you will use the same method to withdraw your money. this is very simple. As you can see, euro Japanese yen, it is going down at this point, and we still have 2 minutes to wait. For those of you who are newer to binary options, you know that if you place a put option, then at the end of the expiry time, at the end of those 5 minutes, you should be below the entry price. Here is the entry price, and we are here, so we are in the money at this point. If you are placing a call, a buy, then you should be above, anywhere above the entry price. This is very simple. The binary options, it is the simplest financial instrument to trade the markets, and in my opinion is the fastest way to make money online at this point. If you are doing this properly, if you are using the right strategy, if you are using the right money management, and so on. There are a lot. This looks very easy to do it, but it's not so, I'm telling you, because when you are trading, as I see, I'm trading with real money here in the live account. It's not a demo account, by the way, but if you will use first, my advice to you is to use demo account. See, because it's the same market condition, and then when you are confident, you can go on and start with real money account. Another thing, they have free account levels here on Quotex. It is standard, pro and VIP. Standard is from 0 to $1,000. Pro is from 1,000 to $5,000, and you will have 2% increased percentage of probability all instruments. And the VIP level, which is from $5,000 and more, and you will have 4% increased percentage of probability for all instruments. That means here on return on investment you will have 4%. Normally Australian dollar, Japanese yen, it is 80%, but because I have more than 10,000 $5,000 into my account, it is 84%. And as you can see, this one, it was euro Japanese yen, it was in the money, and we have more signals here. Let's have a look on GBP Canadian dollar. Let's have a look on GBP Canadian dollar. And we have here, as you can see, we have a confirmation here that this will be a sell. Let's have a look on the chart. GBP Canadian dollar, let's find it here. GBP Canadian dollar, yes, and we have 78% return on investment. And let's wait a little bit. Another one, euro Canadian dollar. Let's see euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar. Oh, and it's nice, as you can see how nice this one is. And let's go and have a look on euro Canadian, because this one I don't know exactly. Euro Canadian dollar, euro Canadian dollar, and we have 83 return on investment. And let's place a down trade here. And the other one, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Is not formed, as you can see. Don't forget about my Martingale system. If you are experiencing 1 or 2, 3 or 4 losing trades, then you can follow these steps. Let's say you are trading with $10, then if this one, it will be a losing trade, then you can trade $25, and then again 60, and in this way you will recover your losing trades. This is money management. All right, so let's go back here. Oh, and this one is going up. That's no problem. I will use Martingale. We have another one, but what they have they have a lower return on investment, as you can see here. Now let's go back to currencies. And as you can see, it's going down. We still have 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And another one, another signal. Let's have it. GBP Australian dollar. Let's have a look on it. GBP, oh, no, is not formed. And we have GBP USD. GBP USD, GBP USD, which is a buy. Euro GBP a sell, but this one is not formed on GBP USD. Let's see Euro GBP. No, it's not formed. Oh, and it's going up. This one is going up. So let's prepare for a recovery trade of $250. We still have 83 return on investment, and we can place this one. And this one, it is a losing trade, the first one, but let's wait and see what will happen with this one. Let's see what signal we will get. GBP USD buy, GBP USD buy, but we don't have the confirmation here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen sell. Yes, we have from here this point here, it is a confirmation, and we should wait for another confirmation. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see the chart on Quotex. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. It's a nice one, but it still is going up, as you can see. Let's see it on the chart. All right, and it is a losing trade again. Euro Canadian dollar is not pulling back yet. Let's raise to $600. This is the third part of the Martingale system. Let's see a little bit the chart here, Euro Canadian dollar. And here it is. We have another confirmation here that it will go down. And another trade on Euro Canadian dollar for recovery. So I will be back with this trade when it will be done. I don't want you to wait. Alright guys, so I'm back with the Euro Canadian dollar trade, and it's starting to pulling back. As you can see, we are in the money, and we have still 3 seconds, 1 second, and voila, it's in the money, So at the third trade, it was in the money, so stick on the plan. Go ahead, and if the first trade it is out of the money, place double it, as I showed you, into my martingale plan, and finally it will pull back. All right, so that was the video for today. If you like it, just give me a like. This will help me a lot. And if you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.